I am a market specialist and we have a 300 unit. We're gonna set up the unit in this moment. Set up the unit with the wires. The black goes where it said mark. Just push it all the way in. And it goes in the normal edge hand pad. Just put it in like this. The red wire goes in where it said ground, and it goes to the stainless steel plate. Just ground here with the alligator clip. Just put it right here by the corner, and it's all the way set up. We're gonna do a normal edge mark, which is AC normal. These two buttons, AC normal edge, and the setup is gonna be set up the number 5. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna go all the way to 5. Now we have the electrolyte MSC1. We're gonna pour a little bit on the hand pad. Then you blot like this before you start marking, and the paper towels, like you see, these are paper towels, regular paper towels. Then blot, put a little bit more. We have the stencil. This is the stencil. This is what we're gonna be marking. Place it down to the plate. I'm gonna put tape to hold it down so it doesn't move. Like this. Now we're gonna start marking. And now I'm gonna mark a normal edge mark with the 300 unit, and the setups AC normal edge, and the setup of 5 with the MSC1. Just pour a little bit, then blot in the paper towels like this, and then I'm marking for a couple seconds. Okay, we're gonna mark for a couple seconds. You just blot 1, 2. You don't need to be too wet or too dry. You need to be in between. And you mark for a couple seconds. You pick up your hand pad. And you just move your hand pad around the whole reading. If you're too wet, you just blot it in the paper towels. And you just pick up your hand pad up and press down until you see the mark. We're doing a surface mark with no depth. Okay, the mark is there. Now we're gonna clean it with the APC cleaner. This rag, just pour a little bit. Clean the stainless steel plate. Now with a dry rag. That's the mark, normal edge mark. Okay, the next step is gonna be a deep edge mark. We're gonna switch the unit to deep edge. DC deep edge, the setup on 5, and we're gonna use the deep edge hand pad for the deep edge mark. Now we're gonna pour some electrolyte MSC1 to the hand pad over here, and then blood on the paper towels. Then place the stencil to the stainless steel plate. This mark has a time. We're gonna do it for 30 seconds. Like you see, we have a clock over here, 30 seconds. And it's gonna be like maybe 1,000 deep etch mark. Now we're gonna blot. We're gonna stay a couple seconds, and you move your hand pad up, like 1, 2, 3, up. Then you keep going. Move your hand pad around the whole reading. Okay, I went all the way to a minute, so this is going to be 1,000 deep etch mark. We're done. Now, remove the stencil from the plate. We're going to clean it with a APC cleaner. Just pour a little bit. Clean your whole plate. Now, a dry rag. And this is the mark, deep etch mark. 1,000 deep. You can feel the depth. You can see the different deep etch and normal etch. This is a surface mark, which is only a dark mark, and this one has a depth.